manipulation at this point. This is blatant. Someone is watching and they're taking me down. At this point, there's just too much evidence. There's too much evidence. Well, I guess we're screwed here. I have no idea if we're filled or if we're not. Rhythmic is working. That's why I still have a connection, or that's why I still have a data feed. I'm still connected to my Rhythmic, but all
what is going on, guys? Welcome to a quick back. This quick.
Yeah, I know wood chip, but I'm just saying. Check to make sure I'm not filled. How do I do that? Like I can't.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to.
I don't know how I can't check that. Oh, everybody say a prayer.
Oh, my camera fell. Good afternoon, fellas. Oh shit, look what it is. What's going on, boss? The OG crew.
Another crazy day in the market today. I woke up late and I didn't get to take my opening range trade. And then bad things happened since then. So Bull Knox took a big loss. I'm down 1,000. My Bull Knox PA account up just about 4,000. I have to be at 4,000 to withdraw from it. Well, to withdraw 1,500 from it, which is the maximum payout. Tomorrow, because I got denied with that payout this week. So today is Thursday, so I'm not gonna trade it anymore today, but I'm gonna try to get a small win tomorrow and keep it rolling. Once you're down 1,000, well, this one I have a lot of cushion. I'm up like I was up almost 5,000 to start the morning, so it's not a big deal, but I can't risk losing this account because I blew this account. I blew the PA account with Apex. I have no idea, like, the bad luck I had this morning is just, I wish I had it on video and I could make a whole video just about that, how unlucky I was 4 times, well, 3 times, and then the 4th time I changed something, and of course basically my stop got in the way 3 times in a row. I was up close to the target, so the target was 50 ticks. I got into the 45 ticks and I was just waiting to get filled, so I set my stop to break even, got stopped out, and that happened 3 times in a row. And then the 4th time I didn't have a stop, or I didn't move my stop, and yeah, the market just tanked. I got denied because I didn't trade 10 days in between my last payout, I guess. I didn't know when the 10 days kind of reset. So Bull Knox is actually, you'll get paid once a month. That's how their marketing is, that they pay weekly. It's once a month. Though if you do the math, and I have to take a look exactly, but it's basically once a month that you could get paid. The you know, it's all the gimmicks with these companies. That's why Apex is still, like, to me, the best one. Oh, God. All right, so let me just see something. Let's say I got paid here. So I gotta trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Withdraw 25. Yeah. Just to show you guys how Bull Knox works and how big of a crapshoot it really is. So with Bull Knox, you get paid. You trade for 10 days. You request the payout on a Friday. So by Friday, you have to have 10 trading days, and then you will get paid on Wednesday. All right. So let's say, to give an example. Okay, so I actually did receive a brand new PA account from Bull Knox today. So let's do the math. How many times can I get paid by end of November, right? If everything goes perfect. So we have the 26th will be day number 1. And then day number 2, day number 3, day number 4, day number 5, 6, 7. All right, so that's 7 days on the 3rd. Let's go into November. 3. Wait, November. What just happened? All right, it's a Friday. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days, 8 days, 9 days, 10 days, 11, 12. So I'll be on the 10th, I'll be able to request a payout. I'll be on 12 trading days at that point. Then it doesn't matter if I trade these next 2 days. I'll get paid on the 15th, right? So then I request to pay on the 15th, and then from the 15th I have to trade 10 more days. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You know what I'm getting at? Obviously there's Thanksgiving in between, but I'm just going based on the perfect month. So let's go back again because I want to make sure. So today's the 26th. I'll be able to request my first payout on the 10th. All right, then I'll get paid on the 15th. And then my second payout would be 10 days after that. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically on the 1st of December will be my second payout request. Then I will get paid on the 6th of December. And then from 6th of December, 10 more days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then on the 27th, I'll get paid the third time. So I received my PA account today, and I'll be only able to get, what was that, 2 payouts or 3 payouts? Forget. I think 2 payouts. No, 3 payouts, right? I forget what that was, but it's just they market it as they pay weekly, and it's the furthest thing from the truth. You're welcome. I try to stream as much as I can after like the morning rush. But today was a horrible day for me, so I took a lunch break, walked away. Would you wait for a payout before continuing to try to trade after requesting a Apex payout? I've done both. Where you just keep trading and then, you know, but last couple of times when I requested the payout, I didn't have time to trade because I got approved right away, the same day or by the next morning. So there was no trading in between. Joseph, I saw Nutty having issues with something with connection or something. I don't know. What's that about? But yeah, I'm gonna make a video on this Bull Knox thing. They do have a 90% off sale. You can use Alpine 80 on that. But Apex is definitely the way to go. So, unfortunately for me, I overslept today. Got more sleep than I've gotten in the last 3-4 weeks. And I didn't set an alarm because I passed out. And I woke up at like 9:32. So I woke up at 9:32. Market already did my opening range breakout. Then I went to the markets and started trading. And then things just didn't go well. Things just went terribly wrong for me. And I don't know if I want to be aggressive today because I clearly do not have a good read on the market. How can I want to see if I could find my orders here? I don't know why Quant Tower does this. Like, why can I see my executions? That is the one thing I don't get. What happened, Black Beauty? And good afternoon, good morning, good evening. I don't know where you guys are tuning in from. Let Let me just let my Discord know I'm live. Good evening, Eric. Nice. Glad that the markets are treating you well. How's Call of Duty treating you? How you liking the new resurgent maps? Yeah, so trade of 8 is down from what I've been. Let me check my trade day and see if my trade day is working. Where's my trade day screen? Hold on, guys. Yep. My trade day account won't log in. Yeah. I already got my daily profit on trade day. I don't know, guys. Oh, here we go. My executions finally showed up. So let me try to show you guys what I did here. It's hard to see exactly, but right here on these wicks. So first time and the second time and even the third time. 3 times I was basically up close to the target, but not exact. And I didn't flatten the trade. I wanted it to hit the target, and it didn't. And then eventually I just didn't stop out. So I stopped out break even, as you guys could see, a bunch of times. And it got so frustrating because the trailing drawdown was being affected by that. And I really thought the market would not go down today because it did recover quite a lot from yesterday. Like it was bouncing all morning. So I figured that maybe today was going to be a more bullish day. And I was wrong. And I blew that account. And it's so frustrating because I was basically ready for a withdrawal. And it's the biggest issue I have mentally. Like, I don't really care if I lose, but if I lose a account that's ready for withdrawal, that's when it kind of hits me. I was on day number 7, so I still have to trade, like at least tomorrow, but it was ready to go. Always got to stick to the stops. Always got to stick to the stops, no matter how frustrating things get. But now I'm gonna be trying to pass some more. Shema, I'm gonna try to pass 20 vals. I might just scalp today and then just keep taking short scalps because I think that's gonna be the best option for me. Let me see which account I gotta trade. 84. But how is everyone doing today? Greatest trading week of your life. Very nice. No, Algo Box is terrible. The only person making money on Algo Box is the person selling it. Yeah, it's something with the prop firm data feed. Not even prop firm, but I think it's the demo feed. We only got 3 likes. Can we get that up a little bit so we get more people tuning in? Yesterday we had over 100 people. It was pretty fun. So I stayed on a lot longer yesterday than I was supposed to. And I'll try to do the same today. How am I able to trade Quant Tower with Apex? It's just rhythmic connection. You could trade any rhythmic connection on Quant Tower. Yeah, what is this market doing? I said I'm not going to go long anymore today, and I guess I'm still going to go long. But I'm going to be scalping because I do not have a read for the market right now. If I see something that I like, I'll try, but I don't know what to do, honestly. If not for these evals, I wouldn't be trading today. I just don't have a pulse. And I'm not going to force a lot of trades. Like, if I lose a couple evals, I'm going to be done for sure. I didn't trade any yet. I only lost my PA account. And it would have been fine if I just woke up on time and I did my opening range trade. That's what's frustrating. It's like I've been going out way too much. Yeah, trade of 8 is down, guys. When you are setting up with Apex, you have an option for trade over and for Rhythmic. You choose Rhythmic and you're able to trade with Quant Tower or any platform that you want. Yes, trade of 8 is down, guys. Trade of 8 is down. My computer just froze. Oh. I'm just gonna pin that because I'm sure people are probably looking for the answers to that question. They're gonna be tuning in and asking that, not knowing if it's just them or if it's everyone. So hopefully they fix that. I am only trading with Trade Day on Trade of 8, so I'm already done for the day with that account. Made like 200 bucks. I just got back. Let me see if mine works. All right, looks like it's back up. So I'm at 165. Okay, so it's back up, so we could clear that. I took one loss. And I had 2 wins on trade day. 1 win was, I don't know why I took it off for a small gain of 115 instead of hitting the target. It would have hit the target and I would have been up like 300. But it's just an eval and I got to trade it for 10 days. So I know it's annoying to trade something for 10 days, but I only need to make, you know, $1,500 over 10 days. So it makes it super easy and not forceful. So I'm not forcing trades or anything like that. And it actually makes sense. So guess the market wants to go up now. But I don't know. I don't trust it one bit. Like this looked like it wanted to just keep going up now. And it just dumped. So I don't know. Nah, I am not doing any algo trading. First and foremost, it's not allowed. And second thing is I don't trust it. I don't know anyone that's profitable with it. That's just my opinion. But if it works for someone, that's great. This is my email. Just send me your P&L and your withdrawals. I want to see how much you withdrew, and then if you withdrew last 4 or 5 months, then I'll take a look. How about that? All right, see what's gonna happen here. The range is pretty, I mean, the range today is from 380 to 230 in just a few minutes here, an hour, not even, yeah, almost an hour. That's quite insane. Should almost be trading the YM. How many PAs have you got so far on the current 90% sale? Just one. No, I'm expanding your algo box and then I can prove it. Yeah, it's just start a YouTube channel, start posting it, show your withdrawals and show transparency. That's the only way you could do, really, right? Until I see that, I've seen a lot of people just try to scam with it. I had a Discord that was based on algo trading, and that's how my Discord even started. And I had so many bots from Algo Box come in and try to promote it that it turned me off. Yeah, it's really not hard to prove things if you just go on YouTube and start your channel and do it live, and I want to see, like, you know, few months of consistency and payouts, 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 and payouts. I want to see payouts. But it doesn't really matter. Like, I know there's so many different ways of trading, so you just do whatever works for you. It's not like I'm not profitable, so to me it's whatever, but it's just been a struggle ever since last, was it 2 weeks ago? Ever since the volatility just picked up, I've been struggling. See, I can't even get filled on the bid. Yeah, don't take it personal. I don't take it personal either. I'm pretty sure I do have a good idea what I'm talking about, but feel free to prove us wrong. Go to channel. I don't see any trading videos yet, but I'll be checking your channel to make sure that you have some kind of videos, and then we'll take a look. And trust me, if you think it works really well, then do it. Because then you could even become an affiliate for them. You make some good money. I always wonder why you purchase so many of the 50K accounts. The 50K accounts have a good balance of obviously the profit to draw down, and also the amount of profit you need to make is not too big for 7 days, versus making 9K or 20K in 7 days is very hard, and I guess I'm just so eager to pass in 7 days. It takes a little bit less consistency to get payouts with 50K than it would with the 150K or... So where are all the millionaires walking around then? If it's because AlgoBox is an automated trading system, right? And why you keep saying our Discord? Is it your Discord? Right now I have passed a 25K and I've passed a 50K. That's the only 2 accounts I've passed so far during this sale. Yeah, this bearish market is quite tough, but I think it's needed. But today's not my day, guys. That is something that I am fully aware of. It's just I am trying to get the trades in so I could pass these evals. Otherwise, I would be done and not even care about trading because I already had a tough morning. I've been going long all day when I was supposed to be going short, and just have a hard time believing that the market wants to go lower. Trader rate was back, I thought. My trader rate is back. I don't know if it works, but I'm not even copy trading right now because I don't have any trust in myself for today. And if I lose a couple more evals today, I will be done for sure. I'll just open and close a trade on all the evals and call it a day. See, like, such an obvious short, but like you don't want to take it short because what if the market does this again, you know? And it's like, I'm just on the wrong side of the market all day though. This is just since the open, I've been on the wrong side. It's not working with trading view. Okay. Maybe that's like a different, yeah, I'm gonna freaking blow this one too. So I'm just averaging down instead of stopping out. So now we get this big candle here, 20 points. So what I'm gonna do on the other two, because I'm gonna give myself up to 2 or 3 valuations to blow, I'll be doing my 40 to 50 tick ratio because I don't know why this happens. Like sometimes like one day just ruins so much progress. And we all have those days, and it's really just up to us to, it's not like the market's doing anything wrong. It's just, I believe that the market isn't going to go down anymore. And it clearly is going down. You might be watching this stream with the delay, by the way, because I said that quite a long time ago. Just make sure you're live. Microscalping, I have no idea, but 6 ticks is not really microscalping. Daryl trades from Apex. He trades for I think 9 ticks. Just email me your withdrawals, and I'll join the Discord. I think now it wants to go. But see, like how I get so excited when the price goes up, and that's what they want. They want to just reel their lungs in before they dump it more. Did Bullnox ever let you trade for funded live accounts? I've never gotten to that point. I only have 2. I've only gotten to 2 ever. Yeah, trading with bias can be irritating, and it's like I don't know why that bias even exists. I think I just woke up late and just yesterday I was trading both long and short, and I was doing fine. I wouldn't consider myself a good trader. I just with stocks I have a black and white system, so I excuse me guys. So like so with stocks I just execute, right? So it's different. With futures, I am trying different things. The market conditions change from week to week on futures, sometimes day to day. So it's hard to do the same thing over and over and have a long, consistent journey. I think this is why most people do struggle, is because of how the market changes from a day-to-day basis. Reliable payouts, there's, you know, Apex is really reliable. Bull Knocks payouts are just very spread out. They say it's every 10 days. It's not. Take Profit Trader is okay, but like you can't take out the safety net from Take Profit Trader, so you have to make over $2,500 on the 50K account first before you could take a withdrawal. Trade Day apparently has really good withdrawal rules, so I'm trying to get funded with them. Top Step, I found out a rule about their payouts that I don't like, so I don't really care to get funded with them. I am doing an evaluation with Top Step, but do I really want to pay the 150 activation fee right now? Most likely not. But if I pass it, obviously I will. You Profit, not exactly sure what their payout policy is. With Ball Knocks, the first 3 payouts are for 50K are $1,500 per account for the first 3 payouts. The big thing is, like, why did Elite Trader funding go from 20 accounts to 3 accounts? That's something that I'm a little bit like, I don't know if they got screwed by like a huge profitable trader and they got huge payouts and that's why, or compliance in what sense, you know, like is there something going on that we need to be worried about? This account's gonna blow. I had a chance to get out, but all right, so for the remainder of the stream I will not take a single long trade and see. I would still stay on the prop firm if I was able to, but I already trade my own capital, and I could trade my own capital. So that's not really... It's about consistency, you know, like I'm down, about to blow, what is this? I'm gonna blow $2,500, but I'm blowing $16, and that's like the, I guess, the benefit of it, but... it's a huge savings on taxes and stuff with your own capital. This blows. This really freaking blows. Like, I don't get why the market is teasing me like that today. Like, here I added that contract and that screwed me. But it's obviously my fault. It's just... every pop now, I'm just gonna short. And we'll see how it goes. Nutty signed off already? How did he do? I was on his stream for a little bit. Oh, he blew that new eval or close to it. No, $1,800 loss. Oh. I mean, 1099 is not that bad. I mean, what's the difference? The only difference is that in trading futures, you get tax benefits. Danny boy, I feel you on that. I just blew my first eval of the day and I blew my PA account. So I had 0 good trades today. 0. And all of them could have been profitable, but... all right, so let's move on to And that's why I'm not gonna copy trade today, because I know I'm not in the right market read, or whatever you want to call it. Just got no pulse on the market, and I am just gonna take it easy. All right, guys. So today, the rest of the stream, which is gonna be till 3 p.m. maybe, I'm only going short. I'm only gonna do 40 ticks to 50 ticks targets, and that's it. And I'm gonna up my size a little bit. One account at a time. Do you write off your challenges for taxes? Yes, of course. You have to write everything off. I'll write off my internet. I'll write off my my computer costs, my everything that I use for trading. I would, but I already write it off my business. So technically, it goes both ways. My taxes are gonna be done together, right? So I get 1099s from my business, and then I'm gonna get 1099 from trading. It's all getting filed under my LLC, my name. If you trade on the LLC, there's really no big difference to that. It's just LLC is just a limited liability company, so you still file under your own name. It's just a Schedule C. It's kind of confusing, but next year I will be filing differently. I'll be opening an S corp. I don't know. The Apex Facebook page is quite moderated, so it's hard to post anything negative or whatever things could be happening. How do you report your profit and profits? What do you label them as? I do not know. So last year, the only withdrawals I got was from Tick Tick Trader, and I never got anything from them. This year, obviously, I will be getting an 1099 from Ballnox and from Apex, and I'm not sure exactly what's gonna be the label for what was the profit for. Not that it really matters. When you file, you're filing income. You're not filing what kind of income it is. So it does not really matter. It's just, you know, they might compensate people. Yes, I'm pretty sure if there's a issue with people blowing up because of it, I think they will have to do something about it. There's not much we could do. Yeah, Kevin, but when we trade with Apex, that rule doesn't apply. That rule only applies if you're trading a live account. A live account meaning your own capital. Now, if you go live with, let's say, Trade Day or Top Step, like a live account, I don't know if that should technically count as 60/40, because then you're gonna be filing for capital gains, right? You're gonna be filing for trading income. When you file for trading income, it's a little bit different than ordinary income. Ordinary income is, you know, you pay self-employment tax. Self-employment tax is like 15%. So you're paying state income tax, you're paying federal income tax, and then you're paying self-employment tax. With trading, you do not have to pay self-employment tax. So you save 15% right there. I don't know why that is, though. Why they don't make you pay self-employment. Oh. What streaming software do I use? OBS. OBS is the software. There's a couple softwares out there. I used to use and I might go back to it. If I start streaming regularly, I will go back to forget the name of it. Streamlabs, I think it's called. Streamlabs. Yeah, so I'm in the wedding business, so I have a good idea of how lighting and stuff works. So this is my setup for my conferences, for my Zoom calls with my clients. And that's why I have it set up this way. Kind of the reaction they get when they, meet with me versus my competition is like, oh wow, like this is some legit stuff versus, using a webcam or or a laptop, not having any proper lighting. It's just, and usually the background is lit up and usually it's framed better. But the stream, I have it kind of cut off, so it's only a portion, like you don't see like the sides. The camera I use is a Sony camera. And the lights, like this light here is humongous. I mean, it's probably like 3 of the 27-inch screens. It's like a huge dome. I think it's 36 inches round. I use Sony cameras for video are the best. That's not even that expensive of a camera. I don't use like the high quality camera. I think it was like $800. Yeah, I'm using a softbox, like a huge softbox. I have 2 of them. The camera comes with a lens, so it's the Sony ZV-1. All right, this market wants to continue lower. I can't believe it. What a day. Why do I think this market can't go any lower? Like, why am I thinking that? There's no reason why it should go higher. Like this area screwed me up. Close the gap. Oh. I gotta start trading because the time is flying, so. Don't really care if I win or lose. I just wanna. Isn't it better to trade on the LLC instead of S Corp? Yes, S Corp is confusing. S Corp is for like multiple LLCs. Later. And break even. Oh, why does that happen? Like, why is that when I hit break even? Why do all the orders cancel? Okay, that was a win. It wasn't a full win, but wow. A couple seconds later, I could have made a lot more profit. I hate when people do this, man. AlgoBox is such a piece of crap software. Like, oh man, good luck to anyone that uses it. But it doesn't always do that. That's why I don't get it. Like, it should just move the stop to break even and leave the profit target. Wow, what a tank. I'm gonna keep trying it with the break even and see what if I could find a reason why it's doing that. Do I use AI trading bots? No. Top step reset coming later due to trader rate outage. Unfortunately, I do not use trader rate for top step, so I will not get lucky. I know what you're talking about the flatten, but I'm talking about the break even. So let's see. If I get like a couple points, I'm gonna set it to break even just to show. So when I'm gonna hit break even, I want the stop to move to break even, but target to stay. See? Like how did it stay now? Now it stayed. And before it didn't. I have no idea if that's the issue. But Elite Trader doesn't do anywhere close to what Apex does in sales. I think Apex has so much buffer versus Elite Trader. If they got one trader that was killing it on 20 accounts and they got in trouble with the payouts, maybe that's why they changed it, but who knows? They will never tell us the truth, right? So they might say it's compliance, they might say it's regulations, but until they prove something, I would say it's a money thing. But yeah, why did it? So you guys noticed that how the break even this time worked the way it was supposed to work and before it didn't? Can you guys hit that like for me? Hit that like. I lost a PA account and an eval account, so I'll be purchasing 2 accounts at 12:30, and I'm gonna ask you guys to give me a code. The first person to give me a code, when I ask for it, I'll purchase it with your code. So don't put them in now. At random point in about 10 minutes, I'm gonna ask you for a code. First person to give me the code, I'll purchase 2 50K accounts with your code. Just to give you guys back. You guys been supporting me, so I wanna. I wish there was an easy way to do a giveaway. If there was an easy way to do a giveaway, I would do a giveaway every hour. Blew up 2 evals today. Tough day. I did update Quant Tower yesterday. Apparently they refreshed the update frequency on the PNL, which always bothered me. Like the PNL lags so much on Quant Tower. Like with Ninja, it updates so fast, and on Quant Tower it lags. Like your PNL doesn't show up properly. Okay, let's see if we get a bounce here so we could short. No, I don't chart on TradingView, no. If I did, I used to chart, and I used Thinkorswim for that. I love Thinkorswim charts. Because I used to trade based on longer time frames. Like I would go like a 4 hour, see if there's something I could find. You know, like go back, find like big support resistance areas and mark it all out. But right now, oh, I'm in a trade and I can't even see which account am I trading. I don't even know, guys. Damn it. Is it this one? Yeah, this one. All right, let's see if the break even works this time. So see, the break even worked this time too. I want to take my profit. This is what happened earlier to me. Like, see how close it got, and then I got stopped out break even, and it pissed me off. And I know it wants to get there, but at the same time, what if it doesn't? So annoying, guys. So annoying. Why can't it just freaking fill me? Now it's gonna go. Yeah, of course. Of course. TOS hurts my eyes. You have to set it properly. Like, I don't like the default look on TOS. I hate with the hollow candles and all that stuff. I couldn't stand it. I had a pretty nice design on it myself. Nutty, what's going on, brother? Nice talking to you earlier. I know we all had a tough day today, so we got to stick together. I'll try it one more time. Hey, it's better to blow leaves than evaluations or PA accounts, so I might have to go join you and go do that myself if I blow one more PA. One more eval. If I blow one more or two more evals, I am done for the day as well. I am up currently. So this is my PNL on this eval 586. Not looking good on this one. I knew I should have taken it off. It gave me a chance. Gives me a chance again. I'm gonna take one off. Oh, never mind. I took it all off. Forgot. Alright, that's fine. I just wanted to get her out. I don't like this trade. And we blew 4 PA and 10 evals today alone. Today's been... Last 2 days has been quite challenging. RNGenius. My opinion is to go monthly. Some people say lifetime is better. What you have to ask yourself is, how consistent of a trader are you? Are you a consistent trader that's going to be able to keep those accounts more than 2 months? How many evals is it? If, for example, you have 10 of them, is it going to be better for you to pay $850 a month if you're withdrawing on those accounts and you're profitable? Or are you okay with paying $1,400 up front? And I'm assuming they're 50K evals. If they're over 50K, then monthly is 100% the way to go. But 25K and 50K, there's a borderline. You could, get away with the with either or, but you have to know yourself and whether or not you could keep those accounts for over 2 months. Now, go based on your previous performance. Don't go based on what you think. Obviously, everyone wants to think that they're going to survive, but is that the reality? Most likely not. So if you pay $1,400 for activation fees versus $850, that's a big difference, right? So you have to look into that. For me, I lost 14 funded accounts earlier this month, and I saved myself $1,000 by going on monthly versus a lifetime fee. $1,000 I saved because some of them are 150K accounts. So it really depends. But my thing is, if I am profitable, then I do not care. Wait. 2,400? Or 240? Try it again, boys. I'm up 688 right now on this account, so this will be the last trade. If it wins, definitely the last trade on this account. Oh. Spoke too soon. If you have 20 accounts, that's a big hefty fee to pay up front. Have you gotten any withdrawals in the past? Break even stop. See, the break even stop is working now. I don't know what happened earlier that didn't work. It's probably too tight of a stop, but I don't like how it's holding up. AR, have you gotten any payouts from those evals? That's how many evals I've had sign up for, basically. Oh, wow. Oh my god, the tanks now. I have 200 evals. 22 are still active right now. I'm working on. So out of 180 evals, I passed 60 or 59 to be exact. So that's 59 PA accounts. I only withdrew like 25,000. Terrible ratio, but I just blew one today that was ready for withdrawal. Like things like that just can't happen. My opening range trade has been most reliable, and I gotta stick to it. I think today I just overslept, and I should have never traded the account after that. But some things I do so well scalping, and some days I just I didn't request the payout, Jay. I was ready for withdrawal, but I was only on day 7, so I still had to trade at least tomorrow, and then the approval or the the payout is on the 1st, so I wouldn't be able to withdraw till next week. AR, just don't get in trouble financially, and don't gamble these accounts. You should be using these accounts as a learning lesson each and every single time. But being resilient is definitely part of the game. And obviously purchase a lot more evals during 90% off. So, because let's say if you have 2,400 evals times, let's say 20 bucks on average, right? Wait, 2,400 times 20. Wait, that's $48,000. That's quite a lot. I'm assuming you have a really good job or career. My size on on 25K will be 1 mini. I don't trade micros, and I refuse to trade micros. If I wanted to trade micros, I would just do the bigger account. So like I'm saying, if I wanted to lower my risk, right, by going to micros, why would I even get a 25K account? At that point, you might as well get something bigger because the price is the same. It's $85 a month, regardless if it's 25K or a 300K account. And the 300K monthly is an amazing deal. There's days that it doesn't work, right? So it's only one trade a day. You don't make that much money. You'll make, $200 to $300 a day. The market wants to go lower. That's why. But all my profit on this account has been made with the ORB. $2,333. And today I lost the account because I missed the open. And it's so frustrating. Can we get to 50 likes? Let's get to 50 likes and then very nice, congrats. Can I go over the ORB? Do I want to? I don't know if I want to. I basically use the volatility of the open to determine a quick scalp. With big size. I know. I don't know if it would have worked today. I can't tell how the open happened. I'm gonna go to a 15-second chart and see how the open played out today. Sweeney, just make sure you pay yourself first. So make sure you have withdrawals coming in before you activate more than that many. Okay, so 9:30. Let's see. The market opened here. So see, like, if I took an opening range based on like this little box here, and I got long here, 423, 428, I would have probably won as long as I got no slippage and everything worked out perfectly fine. But let's say if I got in a little bit too high, or let's say I wanted to take the opening range break based on this whole section, which is definitely possible, I could have lost. I could have gone top tick filled and then doom. So I don't know if today would have won. Yeah, you don't want to spend it all at once. So I would say just stick to 6 accounts. And sorry, I'm reading another message. But yeah, get 6 accounts, get a payout, and then if you get a payout from like 2 accounts, use that money to build more. That's the best way to do it. How is it possible for NQ that dropped so much from longer time perspective of view? What are your thoughts on that, Alpine? I mean, it's the market, so with with everything that's going on in this world, who the hell knows? I mean, it's not really doing anything crazy, right? It's just pulling back. It's in a bearish pattern on the daily, and it's got plenty of room to go down. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it got down to low 13,000s. Do I prefer bearish or bullish market? Definitely bullish. I think it's easier to trade. But on stocks, I'm the opposite. On stocks, I prefer bearish. Crazy. All right, guys. I lost 2 accounts, so I need to replace them. First person to give me a code for Apex in the chat, I'll purchase those accounts with your code. This guy had it ready. All right. Let me copy that code from Josh. Everyone's gonna be rooting for me to blow accounts now so they I could buy more. Oh god. No, I promised that I'll buy 2 with the code, so I'll be buying more, I'm sure, guys. Don't worry. If I had a way of seeing, like, I would love to do like a thing where it's like if you purchase an account with my affiliate code and then I'm able to like prove that, I'll give away like 1 account every, like, 30 minutes or an hour, and do like 5 or 6 accounts per day. And basically, like, if you buy 1, you get 1 ticket entry. You buy 2, you get 2 tickets, and then just do like a random giveaway. But I don't think there's a way of doing that. Also, to get a withdrawal from the affiliate, you need to have at least $100 worth of sign up. So oh, does it show on the dashboard? Where does it say that? I've never noticed. Yeah, you're thinking of the invoice number. Yeah. Hold on 1 second, guys. I got a phone call. Sorry guys, I lost like half my viewers because of this, but my friend had a pretty big issue at work. Something I've never experienced myself. All right, so how we doing? Top statement reset code at the end of the day, but only for TradeOvate account users. Dude, I have a TradeOvate account. I don't think I do. All right, the market is super slow now. So now it's time to either scalp or not trade. Sorry to hear that, Mike. All should I activate my PA 1 or 2 of September? Huh? What do you mean? Can you rephrase that? Oh man, I am not doing any progress towards my 20 funded accounts right now. I am going to copy trade. Where's my copy trader? Okay, 184. Run. That's the one I lost, so I need to make it. All right, so that was $104 per account. That's what I should just do for the remainder of, like once I actually get funded with 20 accounts, just focus on small gains and do that. Yeah, I'm just trying to count it for the day. See, now I want to continue scalping, but now I think, again, I think the market wants to go up, and I know it doesn't, so I have to just stay off the throttle. Thank you for the update on the news. I guess that was it, and I traded during that, but yeah. 1 p.m. news have been very volatile last week and a half. There we go. And that's what you were referring to. Yep. Futures Trader 101. Yeah, so that's a win, and good call on your end to just not force it. I would not force anything today if it wasn't for evals. I had a really bad start to the day. I had a really good start, but I missed my profit targets by like 5 ticks every time, and it just got so frustrating. And I still could have taken nice profits, and I didn't. And out of frustration, not even frustration, but like the stops got in my way. So I moved my stop to break even, got stopped out after being up a lot. And it happened 3 times, and then I moved my stop the 4th time, and then it never came back. I moved my stop, I eliminated the stop, I averaged down, and it was just a huge spiral. And even my Bullnox account, I mean, I lost $1,000 on it. I'm still up 4 grand on it, but like, you know, just know. Oh, what a nice squeeze. I had the bottom, guys. Why did I take 6 ticks? I should have just let it go. Just kidding. Okay, now I need to copy trade the other accounts. So now, since we traded those, trading so many accounts is so annoying, guys. I don't know how some people do it, but for me, it's like to just set up the copy trader. It takes forever. 192, 193. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Did I buy 20 accounts of the 90 sale? Yes, I did. Definitely a good deal. One payout with 20 accounts, and it's a great payout. You do that twice a year, and it's good salary. Yeah, a lot of people are complaining on Sucks that it was just Trader Vate because I would love for them to reset their Rhythmic accounts too. But it looks like they'll be resetting the Trader Vate accounts. A lot of people had issues. Hmm. Well, missed that entry. That would have been a nice, easy win. Do I ever market in? Yes, I do. I don't market it. I'll hit the bid if I'm going short. But when I'm scalping for 6 ticks, getting on the ask is important. One of the accounts is blown. It won't let me take a trade. Hope I didn't screw myself. And it looks like I did. Yeah. Need to pull back. Can we get a pullback? Oh, I forgot I'm trading 2 contracts at a time. Wow, that was dangerous. Okay. So like right there, not every account filled. See, one is long, 2 contracts. To hell? Like how is one long? See, that's where copy trading gets hairy. And watch now, that account is gonna get short or something's gonna happen to it. If this fills, there's gonna be one account that's gonna have a position. See? That's when the copy trading gets hairy, when stuff like that happens. Alright, I made some progress. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more accounts to trade. Mhm. I'm just gonna flip. There's a couple accounts that I already passed. It's like, how did I not get stopped out? I feel like there's a lag with the data today. Okay, one account. Wait, did I even trade the right account? 192? No, I didn't. Of course, it was the wrong one. All right, that's one. And then 180. No, that is the right one. 182. Oh, I traded not 192. All right, so those two were the ones that were passed already. So I just flipped. All right, now I need to trade 4 more accounts. Wait, why is this account down? 192. One account is down $200. How the hell is that even? So see, copy trader screwed up somewhere. It's in the settings. Settings, visual trading, show positions, show orders, and then show trades. All right, now I'm gonna try to make money back on this 192 account because that's weird. Why am I down on that account? Um, Options are a beast of their own. I'm sorry to hear, but options are very over leveraged as well. Mm-mm-mm. Well, I guess that's not a winner. All right, so this account is the 25K account, and now it's down $500 worth of drawdown, so that's not good. And what was the peak balance on that thing? Okay, peak balance didn't go up, so that's good. I do not like the 25Ks because of situations like this. Now I feel like my back is against the wall. But basically, I lost on this one account because of the copy trader. I have no idea what happened, but copy trader was at fault. Hmm. Yeah, I have no idea. But trade away you can't have brackets, so. And there's no issues with Quant Tower. For you trading 3 accounts, there would be no issues. Yeah, it's the amount of accounts you're gonna trade. It has nothing to do with being reliable, because it is reliable. Yeah, but Quant Tower, I mean, Trade of 8, yeah, exactly. Just, it took a big dump. Mm, mm, I'm up 700 on the Top Step account. Nice job. I hit max loss on my Top Step today. So I am up 1,300 on it. I was up, I needed $700 to pass, and I hit the max loss early on. Is the stream lagging? It's not lagging on my end. I'm watching it. Damn, this dump is real, guys. Like I said earlier, I need to just short every pop. There was definitely one account in the copy group that was blown because it kept making that noise. Wow. Market is going to. I guess this was the little news that we had at 1 a.m. I mean 1 p.m. and then the rest is done. Congrats, Alex. Very nice job. How much profit do you have in those accounts total? You close to withdrawal? That's a 50-point drop, just like that. Today is not the day to go long. Oh, wow. That's going to be a nice payout. Holy crap. 17 times 2K. That's 34,000. That is huge. That is huge. I hope to get there for end of November, but not sure. Too inconsistent lately. Can you connect Trader account to Quant Tower? No. No, you're not bragging. You're just sharing your experience. This is what we want to see. We want to see successful traders, and there's so many people that think they're successful and they want to give advice, but they've never received a payout. Very nice. 20 PA accounts, that's the dream. That one payout like that of, 30 plus thousand every even few months. You do that 2 to 4 times a year and you have a full-time salary. All right, let's see. Are we going back up or going back down? What do you guys think? This is like teasing me to go long again, so I'm not going to go long. Am I familiar? Not really. I am doing a trade day evaluation right now. Let me see if I could find more stuff on trade day. People told me to take a look and I signed up. I haven't checked exactly. All right. Like, I don't see anything about payouts. I'm trying to find something about payouts, but like, I understand like there's no restrictions on payouts, but I don't understand like how does it work with your drawdown? Alex, you just said you made like $700 today though, or 800. But yes, 200 per day is 4 grand a day, and that's $1 million a year. So the problem is we will not be able to get there with these prop firms. They will not allow that to happen. They'll move us into a live account. But yeah, I can't find anything about trade day payouts. So I was just going based on what people told me that you could take out from the safety net. There's nothing that you have to make. But like Top Step, I didn't know about like the rule with the reset of the balance. And Top Step, you trade for 5 days, you take a withdrawal, you can't go below 0 on your account anymore. Yeah, Alex, you're killing it. But you're completely right. $200 a day, even if you just have 2-3 accounts, it's still great. I got a small win there. Funded account and live account, I think the difference is that one is sim, one is actual live account. Is there some kind of news? This seemed to be a little bit volatile. If you're making money, the fees don't matter. But yeah, if you're not making money, then it sucks. It's not just the fees. I think you actually become a live trader, so then you are actually considered a trader, meaning that your taxes and stuff. I'm assuming. I have no idea, but if you're in the US, you save a lot on taxes when you are trading futures. So I don't know, but I have no idea how that works actually, because you're trading someone else's capital, so maybe it still counts as an ordinary income. I have no idea. All right. Market is bouncing again. Big range here. I just used your code for some Apex accounts. Appreciate that, guys. Appreciate anyone that used my code. I don't know what stocks are doing. I missed my stock trades this morning. Woke up late. My whole day just been. I woke up at 9:32 exactly. Overslept the open by 2 minutes. I passed out last night and didn't set my alarm. And yeah. Well, the market is definitely having more issues going down. It's not going down as easily now. Let me try this. I'm gonna break even, stop it, get in higher. How many accounts do you have? You could buy them and just not trade them. Bastards. I'm starting to like a long a lot more now, though. Like, I feel this whole area here is the bottom now. It seems like it. I tried multiple times to go lower. Once, twice, 3 times. Versus here, usually, once, twice, once, and then it breaks it. So it doesn't really like bounce off the lows. Here it was bouncing off the lows many times. You have 10? That's a good amount. You know what? I'm gonna go long. Should be getting lower. Where my stop is, I should be getting in. So I'll be ready to enter again. This is a 25K eval. I think the target was... Pretty sure I said, imagine this wins now. I'm gonna add to it. Uh, 25K accounts suck. Oh, let's see if we hit this target. Nice. Well, like I said earlier, where my stop is should be my entry, and that's exactly how it played out. I'm not a huge fan of Lilu. Lilu is, I don't know. That was a nice breakout. We're back to green on this account. So now I gotta trade 4 more accounts. So this is the progress. Not really doing much yet. Let's see something. I want to see, when do I need to pass these accounts by? All right, so today's the 26th and it's day number 2. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, you know what? Better way to do is go backwards. All right, so the deadline for a payout is on the 20th of November. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days. So I have to be funded by the 7th of November to have 10 trading days to get a withdrawal. Ideally, you want to have more days since I had that last time and I was rushing it and I think I overtraded too much. So 26, day number 2, day number 3, day 4, day 5, 6, 7. What the hell was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, what? Wow, these accounts will not qualify for a payout, guys. And I thought they would. Oh, that's so painful. They will not qualify. That's why they did the sale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. Yep. We're gonna miss it by 1 day, guys. So no point of rushing these accounts. No, you can't just trade. You can't flip. You have to trade for 8 days. Well, that makes it that much more painful that I lost the PA account today. Wow. But now there's no point of rushing. Now I could take my time. I could make a couple $100 a day and be happy. Might be better off actually, but not what I wanted. I wanted to be able to get a payout in November from Apex. I might have to buy a Tick Direct account. It's the only way to get payouts at this point. Except my Ball Knox, but Ball Knox is, you know, also tough. Hopefully trade day I'll get funded with. On 203, 191, 189. One, two, three. No, I didn't bounce back really. I mean, I just got super upset now because I realized I can't get a payout in November. This is why they do their sales like that. Gonna miss it by 1 single day. I guess I'll be taking my time. I'll make sure to get 20 funded accounts and get them all ready for withdrawals. Wait, what? Am I doing something wrong? Please tell me I did the math wrong and then that we could still get a payout. Okay, so today is the 26th. The sale went on yesterday, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The third is the 8th day, 6 and 7. So day number 1 of the funded account will be on the 8th. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the 21st will be the 10th day of the funded account. And the payout deadline is on the 20th. So we would have to request the payout on December 1st. And that sucks. Oh, wow. Am I an idiot? One, two, three, four, five, six. Oh, thank God. See, I knew it was right. Yay. Oh, I did the math yesterday and I was like, oh, it's gonna be easily a payout for November. How did I get 10 days for evals? Maybe from trade day. Woo! That's like almost blowing your account and then it just reversing and hitting your profit target. That's how I feel right now. I got one more group to trade, so I'm gonna just scalp since. Oh, wait a minute. Seg, why does one account have 2 contracts? Now it's got 1. I don't know what's going on today. All right, I think that's every account. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You don't have to send anything. They announced that they're aware of the issue and not to send any tickets in. Whether or not they're going to be resetting the accounts, I do not know. Hmm. See you tomorrow. I'll be on tomorrow as well. Actually, you are not wrong. I just did. I just did. Because I'll be going out tonight too. Yeah, I feel so much more confident going along. I don't know why. I set 3 alarms. Those were just like different alarms for different things, but I do at least 3 alarms and then like a backup alarm like right before the open. Because sometimes I'll be distracted or whatever, so. But that one won't even wake me up. That's more like a soft tone. But I don't know what to do. Should I keep trading or not? Has anyone started their YouTube channel yet? I've been saying that since like day one. Definitely worth it. It's gonna take some time to grow it, but by like this time next year, you'll be able to make some decent affiliate money. All right, do I take one more trade on this group? Mm-mm-mm. I'd like to take one more trade on this account, but I'm not going to. Okay. We just hit a 200 SMA, guys, so that means we should go short. I'm pissed that Bull Knox denied my payout. It's such a... Oh, wait, guys, I got a package. I'll be right back. I'll be RB. I got one of these lights here. I got it for work. But I don't have to, I'm not gonna be using it a lot, so these DJ lights. I have a Halloween thing I'm doing. I had to get some more lights. Let's see how the background looks with it on. Whoa. How does that look? Looks pretty badass, no? Oh, I like this light. Different colors. Blue you can barely see. Oh, I like this. Now we got a professional studio, guys. What do I do for a living? I own a business that deals with weddings and DJing and production and lighting and photo booths. So entertainment business. And no, I do not rely on trading for income, and I don't plan on doing that for a long, long time since it's very inconsistent. Wow, this light is sick. All right, but now be real, guys. We need to do it this way so that way we know if I'm red or green on the day. I didn't trade 10 days between my last payout and this payout. I thought the 10 days would count from the day I request the payout, but actually counts from the day they send the payout. So I'll be requesting it tomorrow again, and I'll get it on Wednesday. But that means, like, with Ball Knocks, you could only get one payout a month. Like, in 2 months, you'll get 3 payouts. I love this light. I really love it. Just gotta do this. There we go. Frame the camera better. Yeah, you have to do 10 days, but one doesn't start counting, you know? It's annoying. Which is the fastest payout? Top Step in a sense, but Top Step you have to have bigger days. I really hope to do it this time around. But with Top Step, once you take your first withdrawal, your account balance cannot go below 0. So that means if you make $200 a day for 5 days, you make $1,000, you withdraw 500. Now your drawdown is going to be only $500. So you don't keep the whole drawdown that goes below the initial balance. As soon as you withdraw once, you cannot go below 0 on your account. And that screwed me up last time. I was ready for a payout with with Top Step, and I found that out, and then I forced trades and I lost the account. No. Let me move that up a little bit so it's cleaner. This light is pretty loud though. But sure is bright as balls. Usually I use these type of lights for DJing. And there's only like a few diodes. This thing is a beast. So I'm gonna be uplighting a bar. The whole bar from the outside during Halloween. And it's actually this Saturday. So I have a wedding and I have to do multiple jobs, so I needed more lights. I got these things on Amazon, pretty cheap. I did not get a payout with Top Step ever. Ordained lifestyle, yes, that is correct. But on Top Step, you don't have to wait to make certain amount. So the whole point of Top Step is that you can withdraw in 5 days. So unless you can make huge bank in 5 days, it's not any faster than other companies. Again, there is pluses and minuses to every firm. There's no perfect firm out there. They make money based on, you know, people failing, so they don't want to make it too easy. Not in a sense like they don't want to make it too easy for people that are profitable to get paid, but they don't want people that are not profitable to just get lucky and to get to payouts. And so that's why these rules exist. A lot of people can have 3-4 days that are, you know, pretty good, but you want to show more consistency to get actual payout. But trade day seems to be the fastest. Trade day and tick tick. Tick tick, you could get paid from day one as well. So tick tick, you could get the account now and you could get paid today. That's how fast tick tick is. If you get the tick tick direct account, you skip the evaluation, you go right into a live account. If you have to make a lot of money, but if you make over the safety net, you could withdraw it from day number 1. But it's expensive. All right, so pluses and minuses to everything, guys. I've tried ETF, never got funded with them. I only tried a couple of times. I don't like them. The once a month type of payout makes no sense. And I have no advantage over Apex. The only time I would use ETF is if I had 20 accounts with Apex, I was doing well for a long time, and I needed a firm to get more accounts with. ETF would be an option. All right, V-shape reversal. All right, we got the top, guys. We found the top. Maybe not. Some risky trading right here. I like this light though. What other colors look good? Green, blue, white. I really like this amber. How does that look? This feels like a fall type of color. I like it. All right, this is the progress report. 774, 231, 156 on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 accounts. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 accounts, 156. But like the P&L is not calculated right. I don't think. Yeah, it can't be. I don't know why it says I'm down 5,266 when this doesn't even add up to 5,000. I don't know. Arithmetic, this thing is never accurate. I don't know. Especially if you don't reset it. You got long from 172. Very nice. 172 in this area. Yeah, I was long right here too. I bought the dip right here. But that was on the other account, so. I clawed back from a loss. I was down like 500 on the account, and now I'm up 231 thanks to this trade. I'm trading a Bull Knox account as well. With this group, I have a Bull Knox PA account that I just got today. I'm gonna try to grow that at least to a payout. So let's see when I could get a payout with that one. I think December 1st or something. I don't know. I'm gonna try to be more patient this time around. Last time, I was really rushing to get to the payout, and I think that really hurt. All right, another 30 minutes of streaming, and then I'll be off for the day. Six tick pony. 6 ticks is what? $25 per contract. Profit after fees. So it's as crazy as it sounds. If you had 20 accounts, right? Let's see how much money we would make in one single year. Let's do this crazy math. I don't know why I do this, but sometimes I like to do this math. All right, so there is how many trading days? 250 or so. Should we do monthly or should we do yearly? Let's do monthly first. All right, so 20 trading days. $25 per account times 20. That's $500, right? What is going on? I don't want to sum, I want... $500, that's 10 grand. What? Wait a minute, guys. Are you telling me that if you take 6 ticks once a day on 20 accounts, you would make 10 grand a month. Obviously, you wouldn't be able to get a payout for a long time. That is crazy, though. We would be so far ahead in trading if we just did small scalps. Oh, welcome back, Nutty. Mr. Livestreams Trading, let's see what your channel looks like. Yeah, that's what I thought. I've gotten more payouts than you did, so it's fine. Keep on trolling and get a life, bro. You'll be ahead in life if you just get a life. Ba, 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 ba. I don't really care about trolls. It doesn't bother me, so he's just wasting his time. Yes, Bullnox has a very expensive activation fee, so do not get any accounts over 50k. Anything over 50k with Bullnox is crazy expensive to activate. Like a 250k account is $900 to activate. Yeah, I was just making a calculation. I wasn't sure. But you could do 5 ticks or 6 ticks, you know, 3 times in a day. Live stream trading. What a dumb name, because there's not a single video on this channel. And all he does is, it should be live troll trading. Because that's all he does, is troll traders. Yeah, that's the only thing. When you do something like that, you will have to get a lifetime account fee. And take your time, but it just shows you how little we actually need to, you know, to make quite good money. Yeah, he's just a loser. I mean, that's as low of a life as it gets on the internet. You know, stick to Call of Duty. Like, you know, there's plenty of those guys on Call of Duty, so you'll fit right in. Any of you guys play Warzone, by the way? OBS is good. I had 14 funded accounts. Let's get that straight. And I was trying to get a payout in 10 days. So 6 ticks a day wouldn't cut it. I don't know where you got 20 funded accounts from, but... And I got those 20 accounts from the payouts I got in September and August. And in June. Like... You know how much money I lost with those 14 funded accounts? $1,200. $1,200. I don't know if that's a lot to you, but to me, it's certainly not. It's more so time. That's an interesting question. If you skip the evaluation and go right into the live account or funded account, which firm is the best? Top Step is up there. Apex is great because of the multiple accounts. Such a good question, though. Kosa, you might be watching on delay. Just so you know. Um, I don't know. That's a good question. Apex really doesn't have that many strict rules. There's so many things that you could, think about. So I don't know. But this is why I stick to Apex because of, $100 you get yourself into a PA account if you pass. Like I know with like certain firms you could pay $100 to do an eval, and if you pass, there's no activation fee. But what if you don't pass? You know? I don't know. I've used 40 ticks. Not having a trailing drawdown really helps. Like if you want to set your stop at break even, it's such a peaceful thing. Or if you have bigger targets, if you want to trade where you want to run the winners, you don't want to cut them short, trailing drawdown really hurts. Like it's so hard mentally to trade bigger size. Let's say your target's, 80 ticks. At what point do you take that profit? At what point do you let it come back? With having a trailing drawdown, you know that every time it pulls back, you're technically losing, which is really unfair, but it's just part of the game. So something like Top Step helps with that. And I've noticed it when I'm trading Top Step Combine. When I'm up, let's say 5 points, I'll set my stop to break even. I don't really care if I get stopped out. Versus with Apex, if I get stopped out, it hurts. It happened to me this morning. Yeah, during like choppy market, the trailing drawdown will kill you if you have bigger targets. No, they'll still pay you. As long as everything else adds up, you're fine. Yeah, the not having micros is really like a strange thing. Because Earn to Trade and Top Step are like the only two firms that I know of that don't allow that. Which is it seems like a simple fix. No, you can't. Not that I know of. I don't know how you could log in. I don't think you could log in to Tradeovate. I mean, to Quant Tower with Tradeovate credentials. Ninja allows you to do it. But with Top Step, you have to select whether you want Quant Tower or Tradeovate. That's fine, DMAC, but why do you want Quant Tower? Is there a reason? Quant Tower is great. Quant Tower is great for multiple prop firms. Like right now, I'm trading Bullnox and Apex together. So like this is my Bullnox PA account. The second one, I'm up 270 right now, 232 after fees. Blue Sky, I don't know what's great about them. I've heard of them, but never. Let me see, Blue Sky Trading. You can see what they got going on. But see, like this phase, the earning phase is like the tricky one. Is it a trailing drawdown or is it end of day drawdown? Holy crap. Wow. Damn, I wish I was doing my 40 tick or 50 tick targets. Damn it. I feel like I missed it now. I'm gonna end up chasing it. Mm. I don't know about a short, but it could be. I don't know why it says beta, whatever you call it, but it's pretty flawless for the most part. If you use a lot of accounts, like it's see how it says beta, but it's pretty good. Wow, I longed the top. I got lucky on that one. I always choose option 1. Yeah, trade day I am doing currently. I'm currently doing an evaluation with trade day. My progress, I am up 562 in 3 days. But you have to trade for 10 days, and this is a 25K account, so over the next 7 days, I only got to make like 950. So I'm only making like $150 a day. Today I made 165. But it didn't give me an option to trade with any other platform. Yeah, if I like it, I'm gonna get a bigger account, but obviously you can only have one account per user, so for now I'm gonna stick with the 25K. If I lose that one, ooh, this action is spicy, guys. So close. No, I chased it. I need a bounce. But now it's not gonna bounce because it did exactly what it wanted, which is trap longs, start chasing. That big spike there, that kind of got me thinking that it's gonna continue. And I don't think it will. But let's hope it does. Not good, guys. Let's see. 3 contracts, 4. Come on, fill me. Alright, that's good. So I can lower this one. Yeah, chasing is no fun. One mistake like that and it costs so much. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna probably continue at least to 255. It is getting bought up a little bit, but if the bears take over, it's gonna dump one big candle. Tina, earlier a lot of people were having issues with Trade of 8. Now I don't think anyone is, but no, I trade different ways. I got the open, I do 50 tick target and 40 tick stop loss. If I get out of this, I am done. Wow. All right, that's 408, 480. So it's 480 and I made 408. So commissions do add up, but I only look at the net P&L. One contract goes to commissions. I mean, one tick. So when I do 6 ticks, I know I'm making 5 ticks. I'm using Quant Tower. Quant Tower. I have the paid subscription, so I could do multiple firms. Up 404 on the Bullnox account. That was decent progress so far for day number 1, I guess. All right, last call for 2 more accounts. I'm going to buy 2 more accounts just so I could open and close trades. First code, I'm buying 2 more accounts. First code. You could get Quant Tower for free, but you will not be able to trade multiple prop firms for free. But the copy trader, everything else you could do for free, yes. You could also get a free 7-day trial. Link is in the description to see if you like it. All right, we got the code. All right, so that's good news. It looks like they'll be resetting the accounts to offset the losses. That's good. Too bad that I do not have no, I'm gonna buy 150k account instead. Where's my wallet though? Oh. Yes, I use Rhythmic. Woodbury, I just got a 150K account with your code. So that's basically the same thing as this action is sweet right now though. Maybe I should dedicate one account and just go for it, huh? 15 more minutes of trading aggressively. Do it. Maybe a little bit more aggressive. That was nice. I was like 200, 250, I think I made on that. Yeah, I asked for someone to give me a code since I can't use my own. Well, that was good though. That was like a $300 trade almost in those little scalps. I've used Travis's code many times. I support all the streamers. I have friends that give me codes on my Discord, so All right, I don't know if I should trade more, guys. I have no idea if I should risk it. Let's see. How many likes do we got? Let's get to 75 likes and then I'll take another trade. This is bad. I gotta start making more videos. I haven't been making videos. I've just been going live. No, it's just I'm not gonna copy trade a lot. I'm just gonna take one account. So wow, 85 likes. Okay. Early in the day, I'll be trading 50 tick targets, not 6 ticks. This is not something I always do, so definitely more risky. I thought it was gonna be good for a while, but clearly it was not because I lost the 14 funded accounts. Wow. Market is no joke right now. The reversal is real, guys. That was $50 right there. Mm-hmm. Because I don't know if it's gonna run. So I lost my PA account this morning because I missed my target by 3 to 5 ticks 3 times. Literally 3 trades. I was up over $200 per trade and it kept coming back to break even. So it's like you never know. Yeah, today was a tough day to go long. Last 2 days has been really tough to go long. We all wanted to catch this move, and by the time this move came, we were already exhausted. But it's so obvious here, like that the reversal is about to happen because of basically a trap here, big move up, retest of the lows, break the lows, trap shorts, and then squeeze. Versus if you look here, there's really no it keeps making new lows. It doesn't bounce. It doesn't bounce from the lows. Like this area right here is the best area to go long. And I was long there, but only took 50 ticks. Actually, I took more than that. $88 likes. One of my favorite numbers. But overall, a solid day. Besides the morning start being rough, overall, it's been a solid day. Wow. What a trade. Congrats on that. I could never do that. Yeah, that's fine. Everyone has their own way. Patrick Kane. Yeah, I'm a huge Rangers fan, so I was happy when he came to us last year. For me, it's Eric Lindros. That was the 88 I liked. I forget what year he retired. Eric Lindros retired 2010 maybe. I don't know. Where is Kane playing right now? I know Tarasenko went to I think Wild. Nylander, nice. But if Phantom Power was on, how the hell was it sending it to the speakers? That's crazy. The market is rallying like crazy. Holy crap. I think it's time to just keep buying long and hope for the best. Close your eyes. Oh, you blew your trade day? Sorry to hear that. Oh, I'm on day 3 with trade day. It's 7 days to go. Mm-mm. Come on. This fucking app is pissing me off. I was trying to place some bets on DraftKings and just keeps saying to remove closed bets. Yeah, you could set up Quant Tower with Apex. It's a rhythmic connection. I have Top Step, Ball Knocks, Apex, Elite Trader Funding. I don't have any accounts with them right now. Tick Trader, don't have any accounts with them right now, but I could log in all to them at the same time. It's pretty sweet. This fills me. I am completely done for the day. I gotta get to the gym. Gym gets so packed at this time. You could have our trader open. I have it open. My art trader is open. Obviously you can't have it open for every prop firm, but for Apex I have it open all the time. I don't really use the SMAs, but yeah, that's a 20 SMA. I think it's gonna crack below. But maybe not. Oh, you can? I gotta give that a try then. Maybe with top step, maybe. But you can see your PNL right here though. Like, alright, this sucks. Can you please bounce to my order, please? Oh my god. That one extra trade is what Miss Quantum was talking about. Don't do this, guys. Terrible. I basically need the price to just bounce to my break even to get out. But it's not going to. It's gonna dump. I should have just waited for this action and then start shorting. Bounce now or never. No, I blew it. All right. I need a code. Someone give me a code so I can replace this account. And then I'm signing off. Gotta open and close a trade on this one. I've heard that they might be resetting the TraderVate accounts. Someone already got theirs reset, so very possible. I already got a code from Tim. Oh my god, so many accounts. That one extra trade I knew I shouldn't have taken costed me. So annoying. Yeah, terrible day. PNL. Wow. All you're green for the most part. Some red accounts, but that's fine. It's a lot of accounts to keep track of. Ooh. All right, guys, I'm gonna sign off. Overall, just upset about the PA account earlier, but we're gonna keep trucking along. Yeah, it happens. I'm gonna try to just focus on the opening range trade, to be honest, as much as possible. And then when there's a big volatility, I would try to do the 40 tick stop, 50 tick profit target. With that, it's much harder to blow up in one trade. But I also trade stocks at the open, so it's so hard to do everything. But yeah, been going out, been getting home at 2 a.m. every single night for the last 3 weeks. Big dump here though. Like the range is just huge. Like you get on the wrong side and you don't have a stop, you're blowing up. There's no tight range at all. And it's hard to catch those moves. As simple as it looks, it's so hard to catch them. Because like this pullback, why did it pull back so much and this one didn't? Like what's the reason, you know? It looks the same. This had resistance here too. So you would think this might pull back, but it didn't. All right, guys, peace out. I'll be live tomorrow. And yeah. Because it broke below VWAP. But why did it break below VWAP? VWAP is just an indicator. I go live around 11 to 12. I try to focus on trading the first 2 hours. Then I go for lunch, and then after lunch I come back and stream. Again, 90% off. Use coupon code Alpine. Much appreciated. Love you guys. And yeah, is there any big earnings today? That's always interesting to watch, but I can't stay for that. Amazon today? Oof. All right, well, I might be trading from the gym. All right, I'm gonna trade one account from the gym. Go long. What could you be doing wrong? Let me see if I could show you. So you're gonna go to connection settings and make sure that the use art trader is ticked off. That's one. And then on art trader, make sure that whatever setting, like no market data is ticked off, I think, right? Is that the setting? Let me see. Tim, do you remember how you did it? Make sure market data is off. Did you have an issue, Tim, with art trader logging you out when you logged into Quant Tower? Yeah, so you could download it for free. The link is down below, and you can get a 7-day trial if you want to get the paid features. But if you want just the basics, it's $25 a month if you want the advanced features. But if you want just the basics, then it's free. Why is you guys see these white spots on my? No one mentioned it. Why is that happening? Camera's bugging out. Let me see. I like this too. This blue is nice. Nah, I think it's the it's like the black dark spots in the camera, like when there's no light. If I go away, see, it's like I gotta be further away from the lights, I think. Or not wear black. I think if I don't wear black, it's gonna be better. But anyway, guys, I love you so much. Thank you for using my code. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for all the likes, comments, participation, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Wish you guys all the best at the open. I'll be live soon after the open, all right? Love you guys.